Ultimate God Squad in this rainstorm. Okay, here we go. Without further ado, let's get started, huh? Here we go. Starting off. Remember, one per round. Oh, good God. One per round. Build the Ultimate God Squad. I'm going to go Raikou. As you can see, it's pouring. It's raining pretty good out here. We're going to go Melmetal. Dragonite. As you can see, I'm shaking. Dragonite, Registeel, Togepi. We're going to go Registeel. Oh, no, Dragonite. Got it. Volcanion, Scizor, Quagsire. People are going to be mad at me for not picking Quagsire, but I'm going to go Volcanion. Gliscor. And to round up our top 6. And okay.